Hold on to your hats, space cadets. The James Webb Space Telescope, the biggest, baddest telescope ever built, is at it again. This time it's sending back images that are making scientists scratch their heads and chuckle at the same time. Imagine a telescope so powerful it can see a bumblebee on the moon. That's Webb for you. It can peer billions of years back in time, showing us the universe as it was just a baby. This incredible feat of engineering is parked a million miles away from Earth. It's busy unraveling the secrets of stars, galaxies, and maybe even cosmic puppies. Okay, maybe not puppies, but what Webb just saw is almost as strange. Us. Now, before you start picturing giant space dogs gnawing on celestial bones, let's talk science. The universe is full of surprises, and sometimes those surprises come in the form of oddly shaped galaxies. The dog bone is actually a galaxy, a massive collection of stars, gas, and dust. Galaxies come in many shapes and sizes, from the familiar spirals and ellipticals to the more irregular and peculiar forms. Its unusual shape is likely the result of a cosmic collision. When galaxies collide, they don't just pass through each other like ghosts. Instead, their gravitational forces interact in complex ways. Imagine two galaxies minding their own business when, bam, they smash into each other. This isn't a quick event. It can take millions of years for the full collision to play out. Stars go flying, gas clouds collide, and the whole thing becomes a cosmic mess. The chaos can lead to the formation of new stars and even trigger the birth of new solar systems. Over millions of years, gravity slowly pulls this mess into new shapes, sometimes creating bizarre formations like our friend, the Dogbone Galaxy. These gravitational forces are like cosmic sculptors, molding the debris into unique structures. This isn't the first time astronomers have seen strange shapes in space. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders that challenge our understanding. There are galaxies that look like penguins, tadpoles, and even a sombrero. Each of these shapes tells a story about the galaxy's history and the forces that have acted upon it. But hey, a dog bone? That's a new one. It's a reminder that the universe is always ready to surprise us with its endless creativity and the incredible variety of forms it can take. So how does Webb see these cosmic oddities in such detail? It's all about infrared light. You see, visible light, the kind our eyes can see, gets scattered and absorbed by dust clouds in space. But infrared light can cut through that dust like a cosmic X-ray vision. And guess what? Webb is an infrared superhero. This means it can see objects that are hidden from ordinary telescopes, giving us a clearer view of the early universe and the secrets it holds. Section 5. Webb's infrared eye. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to look at a birthday candle through a thick fog. You might see a faint glow, but that's about it. Now, imagine putting on a pair of infrared goggles. Suddenly, you can see the candle flame clearly, even through the fog. That's what Webb is doing for astronomy. It's allowing us to see through the cosmic fog of gas and dust, revealing the hidden wonders of the universe in stunning detail. And the best part? Webb is just getting started. It's going to be sending back mind-blowing images and data for years to come, helping us unravel the mysteries of the cosmos one cosmic dog bone at a time. Section 6. A mirror that's out of this world. Speaking of Webb's superpowers, let's talk about its mirror. This thing is a masterpiece of engineering. It's over 21 feet across, making it the largest telescope mirror ever launched into space. But it's not just its size that's impressive. The mirror is made of 18 hexagonal segments, each coated in a thin layer of gold. Why gold? Because it's incredibly good at reflecting infrared light. Think of it like this: if you want to see your reflection, you look in a mirror coated in silver. But if you want to see the faint glow of distant galaxies, you need a mirror coated in gold. It's all about using the right tool for the job. Section 7. The ultimate selfie stick. Now, getting this gigantic gold-plated mirror into space was no easy feat. It was too big to fit inside any rocket, so engineers had to get creative. They designed the mirror to fold up like a giant piece of space origami. Once Webb reached its destination a million miles from Earth, the mirror slowly unfolded, like a flower blooming in slow motion. It was a nerve-wracking time for the engineers and scientists involved, but in the end, everything went off without a hitch. Talk about an epic selfie stick. This telescope is basically the ultimate selfie stick, snapping mind-blowing pictures of the universe from a million miles away. Section 8. Space origami, unfolding the telescope. But the origami didn't stop there. Webb also had to unfold its sunshield, a 5-layer, tennis court-sized structure that protects the telescope from the heat and light of the sun. This sunshield is crucial because Webb needs to stay extremely cold to function properly. We're talking about temperatures approaching absolute zero, the coldest temperature possible. That's colder than a penguin's feet in a blizzard. The unfolding of the sunshield was another nail-biting moment for the team, but once again, Webb passed with flying colors. It was a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the thousands of people who made this incredible mission possible. Section 9. Colder than cold, keeping Webb chilly. The James Webb Space Telescope, or Webb for short, is one of the most advanced pieces of technology humanity has ever created. But to function properly, it needs to be kept at incredibly low temperatures. So why does Webb need to be so cold? The answer lies in the type of light it observes. Remember how we talked about infrared light? Infrared light is a type of electromagnetic radiation that we can't see with our eyes but can feel as heat. Well, everything emits infrared radiation, including us, our planet, and even the telescope itself. This is why keeping Webb cold is so crucial. If Webb wasn't kept extremely cold, its own infrared radiation would drown out the faint signals from distant galaxies. Imagine trying to see a tiny candle flame in the middle of a blazing bonfire. Think of it like trying to have a conversation at a rock concert. The loud music and noise make it nearly impossible to hear the person next to you. It's hard to hear anything over the noise. Similarly, the telescope needs to be in a quiet environment to pick up the faint whispers of the universe. Webb needs to be in a quiet, cold environment to hear the whispers of the early universe. This means cooling it down to temperatures as low as -233 degrees Celsius, or about 40 Kelvin. And by quiet, we mean really, really quiet. The cold environment ensures that Webb's own heat doesn't interfere with its observations. The telescope is so sensitive that it could detect the heat signature of a bumblebee on the moon. This level of sensitivity allows Webb to observe the most distant and ancient galaxies in the universe. Now that's what we call a cool telescope. By keeping Webb chilly, we ensure it can capture the faintest signals from the cosmos, helping us unlock the mysteries of the universe. Section 10. The future of cosmic surprises. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than just a telescope. It's a time machine, a window into the distant past, and a source of endless wonder and amusement. Who knows what other strange and wonderful shapes it will find lurking in the depths of space? Maybe we'll find a galaxy that looks like a giant cosmic banana, or a nebula shaped like a cosmic question mark, or maybe, just maybe, we'll find evidence of life beyond our own planet. The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. One thing's for sure. With Webb on the job, the future of astronomy is looking bright, exciting, and more than a little bit hilarious. Section 11. Stay tuned, space fans. So there you have it, folks. The James Webb Space Telescope is out there, pushing the boundaries of astronomy and reminding us that even in the vastness of space, there's always room for a little bit of humor. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates from Webb, because this is just the beginning of an incredible journey of cosmic discovery. Who knows what other wonders await us in the great cosmic expanse? Stay curious, stay starstruck, and keep looking up.